Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last week, we studied about the question, what can you do? Let's review. Eat, eat. Read, write, run, sing, walk. Okay? So remember that I will be asking question and you will answer you yourself. Okay? Again, let's repeat. Eat, read, write, run, sing, walk. Let's answer now these questions. What can you do? Look at the picture, then you answer. Okay, good. What can you do? Look at the picture, then you answer. Number 3, what can you do? Look at the picture, then you answer. So number 1 answer is, I can eat. Number 2, I can read. How about number 3? I can write. Okay. Now let's have more questions. What can you do? Look at the picture. The answer is, okay, good. Number 5, what can you do? Good. What can you do? Very good. Okay. Now, so the answer number 4 is, I can run. Number 5 is, I can sing. Or number 6, I can walk. Okay. So today, we will have new words, okay, that we will learn today. Okay, so remember all of these words that we will be studying today. Stand, stand. Sit, sit. Cook, cook. Dance, dance. Swim, swim. Jump, jump. Let's repeat. Stand, sit, cook, dance, swim, jump. Okay? Remember these words because I will be asking question now. Let's ask question the same as what we have learned last week. So you answer the questions. What can you do? Okay. Okay. Number 2, what can you do? Number 3, what can you do? Okay. So you have there number 1, you have I can stand. Number 2, I can sit. Well, how about number 3? I can cook. Okay. Let's repeat. What can you do? Okay, good. Number 2, what can you do? Great. Number 3, what can you do? Excellent. Okay, let's have more questions. What can you do? Okay. What can you do? Good. What can you do? That's great. Okay. Let's repeat. What can you do? Okay, good. What can you do? Great. What can you do? Excellent. So you have here the answer number 4 is what? I can dance. Number 5, I can swim. Number 6 is what? I can jump. Okay, very good. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and attentively being attentive in our lesson.